Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to do a quick video on how to install a tempered glass on a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is the phone right here. Very nice. And the reason why I want to install it, I did put the liquid glass and it seemed not to work very well. I still have a little scratch. I was a little upset. I have a outer box cover, but it does not have a screen protector. So I decided to buy from this company. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. I brought it for my wife S10 and it works very well as long as you turn on the setting for screen protector, which I have a video on that too. Inside comes two screen protector accessories, so basically alcohol, clean pad, and the dust remover. And you get two tempered glass, which it has the fingerprint right here, and this is the tempered glass. It has the bend a bit, very nice. Okay, so now to start off, you can see my phone is very dirty. Do not try to install the screen protector on top of that. You have to clean it very well. So you open up the pack where it says accessories, and in here, this is to pick up the dirt, and these are the guiders, which I don't use, but if you want to, you could put one on top of the screen, one on the bottom of the screen. You can guide it on and use this just to pick up all the little dirt that you see. So now you have a micro white so you can dry it up, and you have alcohol pad. So with the alcohol pad, please wipe it, clean it very well. Very well. I like wiping it for a while because I've been using it a lot without a screen protector or nothing. So it has a lot of dust particles and fingerprints, all type of stuff. So make sure it's very clean. Now you grab your micro wipe and dry it up. As you can see, it's even scratch right there. And I had the liquid glass and I don't trust it for no more. I don't trust it. Look, it right here is all messed up. Very upsetting. So I'm gonna put a tempered glass now so it could stop getting messed up. So make sure you wipe it very good. Wow, look at those scratches. Okay, if you think, wipe a little more alcohol. Just make sure it's very clean, because you want nothing to be in the way and then it won't work or something happen, stuff like that. Okay. Okay, once it's completely dry, which it is completely dry already, okay, grab your dust remover, I call it, bend it a little bit. I got a video on the S10 doing the same thing. So, you start going like this and get all the dust residues and things like that. Make sure there's no dust. Okay, you make sure. Okay, as soon as that's done, grab your screen protector. So now make sure your fingerprint will be down here, so you make sure you put it just like this. Make sure you don't make the mistake and go like this. It will not work. So on the screen protector, you have this little tab right here. You take that tab off. Once you take it off, I said, make sure it's lined up very well. So you'll start. If you want, you try to turn it on so you can see where the fingerprints. Okay, line it up with the bottom. Okay, that is the screen protector on. Take a look at it. Bring it down. Okay. And that is it. That is the screen protector on the phone. So now I can put the cover, and I don't have that issue of it scratching anymore or any kind of type of way. Well, if you have any question about this screen protector, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Any question, comment below. Perfect screen. Now hopefully it will stop scratching. And the outer box, it's very good. Had no issue with it yet. Just needed a screen protector. The liquid gas did not work as well that I thought it would. Well, that is about it. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.